Hey, good morning, folks. Darren from DN Auto Sales. Finally get to show you the completed 1972 Ford Explorer. Got it all done. It's ready to go. It is really cool. We're going to put this on eBay, starting eBay probably tonight, maybe Sunday night, but I will put a link when we do have it on eBay. 72 Ford, 1-ton Explorer camper van, Class B camper van conversion, E350. So I'm going to go through is just kind of show you what's good about it, what's bad about it, everything that we did on it, and then we'll go inside and check it out as well. It is extremely solid. It is all original paint on the outside. Just really incredible shape for something that came from 1972. 5 brand new 16.5 tires. This front mount can also be mounted on the back bumper if you want on the back bumper instead. It has a tilt down feature. Fiberglass top. Again, the Econoline 300. So original paint, it is faded. You can see the original patina to it. There is a dent here that's been pushed out and been touched up at some point in its life. That's really the only damage on the van itself. It is pretty rust free, but there is a little bit of rust on it, but not bad. Brand new exhaust system as well. Got a nice little rumble to it, little chrome tip there. Brand new water heater. We'll kind of do the interior features, but this is the vent for the furnace. That's where you fill your water up. Electrical outlet when you're outside having picnics out here. New propane tank. Storage there. On the back. New curtains look really cool. I like how close that green matches to everything on the inside. New CNC machined Xplorer badge as well. A little damage on the bumper there. Got a trunk back here. Nice big storage area there. Dun, 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 dun. Another trunk on this side as well. So a lot of storage in the back of these Explorers. They're pretty designed pretty well. There's where you plug it in. There's where you hook up your hose to it. Obviously gas there. Window for the bathroom, vent for the drains. There's the crapper dumps. One for the shower, one for the toilet. There is an optional spare tire holder down there as well. If you want to put the spare tire underneath the van, you can. We'll hop in the front driver's seat in a minute and take a look at this. But yeah, look at them, just incredibly solid. 62,000 original miles on it. All the gauges work. What doesn't work is the stock radio. What this was, it has dealer installed air conditioning system. So AC doesn't work, but what they do is they take the radio and speaker from the dashboard and put it under the steering wheel so you can put the AC in there. Fan blows, it's all there, everything's there, but it does not work. It's old R12. I'm sure it needs to be charged and resealed, and other than that, everything else works. Lights, wipers, washers, heater. Seats are in great shape. Emergency brake. A little bit of rust in here. And then this bottom corner has some rust missing on that front part. If anybody knows these Ford vans as well, on the frame inside there, that's the weak spot on these parts. It was a little weak. We welded a plate in it. It looks like brand new, probably better than new now. So that was the only spot that really needed to be fixed on it. Chrome's nice, bumper's nice. All right, let's go inside, shall we? So you open the door. Step comes out with it. It's kind of cool. That's a factory Ford thing on these club wagons, on these old Ford vans. Carpet is original. We kept the original carpet. It was clean, it's in great shape, and it just looks so cool. You know, for the old vintage stuff. The seats look nice. We didn't really do anything up front. We didn't have to do any restoration in the front. That's how the front looked. Back here, we just kind of updated stuff with newer stuff. All new LED lights. All of the wood cabinets, all of the wood has been replaced. These things came with like a press board type of a thing, a press board, and then plastic drawers on the inside. So we refaced all the cupboards with a wood that and painted and stained it black, but yet you can still see the wood grain through it. There's your sink, 2-burner stove. Good storage throughout. It had a vent up top but no fan, so we ran 12-volt wires up there to put a maxi fan type up in there. You can put an AC unit on this if you want, because AC units just fit right there. It wouldn't be too bad of a job because the electric goes to right there, so you just have to run electric from that point. New radio, new power port, USB and 12-volt. So new speaker there, new carpet up there. This is a nice little cubby. This is a 12-volt gauge that shows your battery power, and this turns on the water pump. And just another storage up here. The antenna for the radio is up in here as well, hidden so you can't see it. It's not outside, so it's didn't have to put a hole in the roof. 12-volt refrigerator. Brand new power port as well, for all the electric. 12-volt gauges, charging, all that stuff. Again, new doors back here as well. All new wood doors for the bathroom too. We'll check out this cupboard. This cupboard was kind of like a not finished closet. We refinished that. Now it looks like a kind of a cedar line type closet. Got a shelf up here for storage. Oops, sorry. And the bathroom. Bathroom is green. Love it. Getting the LED lights up here. I'm 6 foot, so I can stand up in here. Closet, medicine cabinet, I mean. And it's all just in great shape. Nothing's busted up. All the fiberglass is in awesome shape. Got a grinding type toilet there. And in the back here, you got a double bed. This is 6 foot all the way across. Again, all new curtains. New screens for the back windows here as well. And LED light. So there's that. So these cushions here, this green vinyl was original. But this material here was all kind of cloth and nappy. So we found that material, so that's been all recovered, obviously matching the curtains. And then this folds out into a double bed, and these have the same material on them as well when they fold out. A couple seat belts there. Original table matches the original countertop in the backsplash, and look how nice shape that thing is. So well kept. All right, let's see. So there's kind of a quick tour of it. Mechanically, rebuilt carburetor, full tune-up, wires, cap, plugs, rotor, oil change, obviously. The exhaust sounds really nice. I like how the exhaust sounds. What do I do with the keys? I shove in my pocket. I had them for the doors. There we go. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Sounds like a little hot rod. Runs and drives great. All the brakes are good. Suspension is good. It's got front drum brakes on these old things, so you know they kind of stop like a big truck. But overall, one of my favorite vans that we've done. I'd love to keep this thing, but I'm not in the business of keeping stuff. So again, we'll throw this on eBay tonight for a 7-day auction tonight or tomorrow night, but I'll put the link on the website as soon as we have it ready. So thanks for checking it out. You guys have a good day. Loaded 6-string on my back.